let's count down to how long it will take to find another lake. 10, 9, 8, 7, 6, 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. Hey look, there's one by the curb. Bam, schmam, and pool. You can't tell from this height that there's a swimming pool. And there'll be another one. There's also really good ones coming up.
Yeah, they're trying to put the stores there.
That white stuff right there is all the water. Whoa, that's a big flood. I'm putting this on YouTube.
Why?
Because I'll probably get quite a few likes for it.
Why?
Yeah, I might. Hey, let's all prove him wrong and get a bunch of likes for this. This man right here is a boring puss. Lot of dirt. Lot of dirt. Whoa. All that mixture color looking stuff that's all peachy, that's supposed to be the road. It's completely covered in the sidewalk. There's like a river there.
Oh!
It's kind of bad condition because I'm in the car. And so the window right here is all covered in water droplets. Oh! There's all the proof you need that's flooded here. That's not the first time either. I mean, I didn't want to get trapped in a restaurant or anything, Tala. I'll probably cut this video off when we get to our street, so I'm gonna cut it off soon.
Now, turn it off. Turn it off.